Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the process of logging into your Verizon account. Whether you're trying to access your billing details, check your usage, or manage your services, this guide will make it simple for you. Follow these easy steps to log in to your Verizon account. Open your browser. Start by opening your preferred internet browser. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Go to the Verizon login page. In the address bar, type in www.verizon.com and press enter. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In button located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it. Enter your username or mobile number. On the login page, you'll be prompted to enter either your Verizon username or your mobile number. Make sure to enter the correct information associated with your Verizon account. If you've forgotten your username or need to recover it, there's a link that says Forgot Username that you can click to retrieve it. Enter your password. After entering your username or mobile number, you'll be asked to enter your password. Ensure that your password is typed correctly. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password link. Complete the CAPTCHA. To verify that you are not a robot, you might be asked to complete a CAPTCHA. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Click Sign In. After entering your login details and completing the CAPTCHA, click the Sign In button to access your Verizon account. Two-step verification, if enabled. If you have two-step verification set up for your Verizon account, you will receive a code on your registered phone or email. Enter the code into the provided field to proceed. Access your Verizon account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Verizon account dashboard, where you can manage your plan, pay bills, view usage details, and more. Remember, if you experience any issues logging in, you can always contact Verizon customer support for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials.